that. And I will... Nope! Stop picking up that stupid thing. Okay, nope, gotta throw some chicken. Gotta throw some more. Come on! Oh no! It's gonna fall in the bed! Okay. Okay. Ah! Alright, that's fine. We're fine. Yep, that's it. Okay, what am I doing? I gotta check. What is the worst part about periods? The bleeding. I got it. Alright, put it here. Yeah, so anyways, as I was saying, it's not so bad if it was just bleeding. The time is almost up. What am I gonna do? Come on, hurry! Come on! Oh my god. No! I have the plate and everything. Okay, that's fine. At least I got 1 star. At least. Woo! At least I got 1 star, you guys. This is like hard. I don't like playing this game alone. It's hard. Ah! I fucking died. Fuck! Whoa! How do I escape this? Can I escape this? Oh, this is... My whole fucking kitchen's on fire! Oh, fuck! Oh! So just put the steak down, John. How do I escape this game? How do I leave? How do I leave? Oh. Are you serious? How do I leave? How do I leave? Oh. Thank God. Ah! I had to quit. That was a train wreck. That was a train wreck, you guys. You're so rude. Hey, let's see if I... Oh! Oh, that was so close! Ah! I had 1 point! Oh, I'm away by 1 point! Oh my god. Whoa, that really pisses me off. Woo! That really gets me. Ooh, I don't like that. Ooh, I don't like that. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Ah! I got confused. Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. Oh, we're good. Woo! We got so close there, y'all. We got real close. Woo! Oh man. Oh. That was some fiery shit. That was some fiery shit. Okay, good. Excellent. Oh! Drop the plate. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Cheese, cheese. No! I don't have any place to put the fucking cheese. God damn it. Oh, fuck. I am fucking freaking out right now. Shit! Let's go. God damn it. Oh my god, please. Please tell me. Yay! Huzzah! Woo, 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 woo. Not only did I get 1 star, bitch, I got 2 stars. Woo! Guys, we done did it. We done did it. We done did it. That's it. I'm done. We're not playing anymore. I'm gonna end right there because I know that it probably won't get any better than that. Frankly, that was the icing on the cake. Truly, that was the icing on the cake. Yes. Oh my god, okay. There we go. Ah! Wrong thing. Whoops. Okay, here we are. I told you I was a noob. I told you I was a noob at this streaming thing, alright? I never said I was a pro. Okay, get what you paid for. And you didn't pay for anything, so hey, listen. It's alright, I love you. I play Valorant for like 3 hours straight. I'm not surprised. I'm really not, because I know that there are people who play games for like 2 days, 3 days straight. And that's extreme. But I know that there are people who do that. But I don't know how. I get so tired playing games. Like, it's so mentally tiring. I'd rather listen to my mom yell at me for 3 hours straight. No, that's not true. Wow. I take that back. Don't want that. Don't want that. Nuh-uh. No. I don't want that. I'd rather play a game for 3 days straight than take my mom yelling at me for 3 hours straight. Thank you very much. I know, yeah, there's a lot of people that just demand the game. Yeah. Should have caught that on video. Aha, but you didn't. You didn't, Days. Ha ha ha. You didn't. Can't hold me to it now. You know what you should do? Every